Alright guys, just a quick video for Mr. Wheelbike. He wondered how the plug in Holland looks like, so I'm going to show you. In Holland we got an easy plug. Blue, left, brown, right. So in this wiring box, the blue wire will be at the left, over there. Brown at your right. That's and code what we're using as electric shunt. So yeah. Also if I connect something like light switch, blue left, brown right, but always blue isn't blue but black. So black left, and brown right. So it's pretty cool. We got two types of plugs what we use all day. This one and this one. The change is this one got an earth, so if the shortcut, the power will shut down. This one got a shortcut. Well, it takes longer and maybe it will burn, but it takes long to shut the power down, but it works the same. So we got a plug like this one, just put it in, and you got a flat one where the other one will fit in. So it's pretty easy actually. We got the most type of wires we got is blue, black, red and green, blue. That's the green, yellow. That's all electric. It got 230 volts, 230 volts. But the changes, you got the blue wire is plus and the minus wire is plus. What happens? It keeps changing, so plus, 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 plus. It's switching. This plus, that's minus. That's plus, that's minus. It keeps doing that more than 120 times a second. So it's plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. So if you have a quick cam, you can see a light is flickering because the power is switching plus minus plus minus plus minus, so it will turn on off on off on off. It's so fast you can only see it with a camera, but if you just look you won't even recognize it. So it's so fast you can't see it with the eye, but on a camera you see it flickering. So that's right how it works. So well, I hope I answered your question, Mr. Wheelbike. So well, yeah, that's it. So if anybody took another request, just tell me. So okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe of course, and I'll subscribe back, and thumbs up and reaction below. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.